Good day to you all. Happy Durga Puja. On behalf of Ramakrishna Vedanta Society of Philippines, I convey the warmest greetings on account of Durga Puja and Navaratri. So today, tomorrow, and day after, that is Tuesday, uh, Wednesday and Thursday at 7:00 p.m., that is 4:30 p.m. in India, we'll be having this Durga Arati. That is Mahasaptami Arati, tomorrow Mahashtami Arati, and on Thursday we'll have Mahanavami Arati. So that is how we will go. And Durga Puja is celebrated throughout the world, and it is a tradition of the Ramakrishna order that Durga Puja is celebrated. So we have this year started in a modest way with the starting of the Arati. So happy Durga Puja greetings and Navaratri greetings to all of you once again, and thank you all participants. Maharaj Ji has taken a lot of pain in, and he will be performing the Arati. Before he performs the Arati, he will speak speak briefly about Durga Puja and Arlene, have you already are you already available? Okay. Rosanna, are you available? Okay, so it's over to Maharaji. Maharaji initially will speak a few words about Durga Puja, especially for our Filipino friends or others who may not be initiated to Durga Puja in 2-3 minutes. And then Maharaji will, I'll request Maharaji to start the Arati with the accompaniment of the drum, which is called in Bengali dhak. So over to Maharaji. Mm, So please introduce our people with the Durga Puja.
Thank you very much, Nirmala. Actually, I thought before going for the benefit of the people here, we must give some explanation as to why we have Durga Puja. Durga Puja is essentially a worship of the Divine Mother. And earlier, it dates back to many thousands of years we are worshipping. But only in India, this has become a full-fledged religion, that is worshipping the Divine Mother. Sri Ramakrishna used to say that to look upon God as mother is the purest and the highest form of sadhana. That was the teachings of Sri Ramakrishna. He says to look upon God as mother is the purest and the highest form of sadhana. Matribhav Shuddha Bhav, sadhana Shesh Katha. But in Bengali he used to say Matribhav Shuddha Bhav, sadhana Shesh Katha. Means if you see God as the mother, that is the best possible way. By saying that, he uplifted the status of the woman to the highest, and that is what was needed. So in Belur Math, we started worshipping Durga in 1901. First time we started worshipping Mother Durga in image in 1901. Swamiji got a dream that Mother Durga is being worshipped in Math, and Swami Brahmananda also got a dream that Mother Durga is worshipped in the Math. So both of them got, it is a supernatural kind of thing, but they felt that they should have Durga Puja in Velur Math. And that time Holy Mother was there, so they went and asked Holy Mother's permission, and she gave the permission. And since monastics cannot perform Durga Puja and a householder has to do it, so the first Sankalpa started with the, means it has to be initiated by a householder devotee or a householder. So Durga Puja started in the name of Holy Mother. You see, worshipping the Divine Mother in the name of Holy Mother, that is how Durga Puja started in 1901. So that is one reason. Second reason is Swami Vivekananda wanted because he felt the status of India is downtrodden because we are not respecting women. If woman needs respect, if women are respected, the society will automatically rise. In any society where the society which gives respect to the woman, that society rises. That is why he started to prove his point, and that is why we are having Kumari Puja during Ashtami, and Kumari Puja is worshipping of a little girl. It is a sight to be seen. Thousands and thousands of people come to Belur Math to just watch that. So with this word, tomorrow I will talk a little more, giving you some explanation about what Durga Puja is all about and why we are worshipping Durga. And another thing I wanted to say, that Chandi, that today that we are having some recitation from the Chandi by Mr. Shantanu Chakravarti,
Tomorrow.
it is one of the most.
Maharaj, tomorrow.
Today it is not there. Achha, sorry. So tomorrow I will talk about Chandi also. I will give a description about Chandi also, why Chandi is red, why it is so sacred, and the form of divine. It is called Mahishasura, Mardini. Mahishasura, this is the form of divine mother where she slays the demon called Mahishasura. So tomorrow there will be a little more talk, and then I will give you more description to make you understand why we are worshipping divine mother. So with this few words, I will start today's Harati. Thank you.
Okay. So now Maharaj will start the Arati with the accompaniment of Dhak, and I play the Dhak, and Maharaj will start the Arati.
এই বাজনাটা শুনেই শান্তনুর কাঁসর বাজানোর কথা মনে পড়ে যাচ্ছে।
So we have ended the arati. Now we have ended the arati. So now we will start with some of the Devi Vandanas, Durga Vandanas. Hope you will like it. But before that, if Rosana is there, Rosana may like to speak a few words in praise of in English and Tagalog, and then we'll start the Devi songs, the songs in praise of Durga Mother. Rosana, you are there? Yes, she is there.
Good evening to everyone.
Okay, we come back to Rosana after some time, but then let us start the Devi Vandanas, that is the songs in praise of the mother. So the first number today in praise of the mother goddess Durga, we have Durge Durgati Nashini. So please wait for the song, we'll play this song.
দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দশ পূজা 207 মধুময়ী নবসংহারিণী দশ পূজা 207 মধুময়ী নবসংহারিণী অপ্রীতিয়া তুমি অনুনন্দা অপ্রীতিয়া তুমি অনুনন্দা ভবানী মা দুঃখহারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে শম্ভুনি শম্ভবতারণী ভক্তি মুক্তি ধারিণী শম্ভুনি শম্ভবতারণী ভক্তি মুক্তি ধারিণী যোগ প্রসাদিনী মহাযোগিনী যোগ প্রসাদিনী মহাযোগিনী চন্ডিকে মা শিবানী দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে সত্যগুণে মহাসরস্বতী রজগুণে মহালক্ষ্মী রূপিণী সত্যগুণে মহাসরস্বতী রজগুণে মহালক্ষ্মী রূপিণী গুণে মহা দুর্গা তুমি গুণে মহা দুর্গা তুমি মোহমায়া দোষণা তুমি দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী
प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरी पाहि विश्वम्
We earnestly pray to the Mother Goddess to remove all our problems. That was the kind of summary of this song also. So at this difficult time, we pray to the Mother Durga to remove all our problems and bring back our happiness of the mankind, and return our good days. And now, with this beautiful song, after that we will come to legendary Virendra Krishna Bhadra, the legendary chanting by him, Narayani Namastute. So please listen such a beautiful and such a serious chanting. Legendary Birendra Krishna Bhadra. Please enjoy.
सारिगम कारवानी
प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरी पाहि विश्वं स्वरीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका वही स्वरूपेण यतः स्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितया तवैतदध्यायते कृष्णम् अलङ्घ्य वीर्ये मानवशरी शक्ति अनन्तवीर्या विश्वस्य बीजं परमासि माया सम्मोहितं देवी समस्तमेतत् त्वं वै तन्नाम विमुक्ति हेतु विद्या समस्ता तव देवी भेदा श्रियः समस्ता सकला जगत्सु तवैकया पूरितमन्तयैतत् ताते स्तुति सत्य परापरोक्तिः सर्वभूता यदा देवी स्वर्गमुक्ति प्रदायिनी वस्तुतास्तुतये कावा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जलस्य निधि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते कलागष्टादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनी विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ते नारायणी नमस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते सृष्टिस्थिति विनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यासि हरे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते अंशयुक्त विमानस्थे ब्रह्माणी रूपधारिणी सौषाम्भशनिके देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते शूलचन्द्राहीधरे महावृषभवाहिनी माहेश्वरी स्वरूपेण नारायणी नमस्तुते मयूरकुक्कुटवृजे महाशक्तिधरे नघे कौमारी रूपसंस्थाने नारायणी नमस्तुते शङ्खचक्रगदाधारं गृहीतवरमायुधे प्रसीदवैष्णवी रूपे नारायणी नमस्तुते गृहीतप्रजहाचक्रे तमश्रप्रीतम सुन्दरे वराहरूपिणी शिवे नारायणी नमस्तुते निसिंहरूपिणुग्रेण अद्भुतैत्यानिकृतोद्यमे प्रैलक्ष्य प्राणसहिते नारायणी नमस्तुते भीतिनि महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्जले नित्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री नारायणी नमस्तुते शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणी नमस्तुते सहस्राकरालवदने शिवमालाविभूषणे चामुण्डे उर्णवसने नारायणी नमस्तुते लक्ष्मी लज्जे महाविद्ये वृद्धे पुष्टि स्वधे स्वधे महारात्रि महाविद्ये नारायणी नमस्तुते निधे सरस्वती वरे भूतिभ्रमितामसि नियते त्वं प्रसीदेशे नारायणी नमस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयभ्यो त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमस्तुते एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रयभूषितं पातु नः सर्वभूतेभ्यो कात्यायनी नमस्तुते बालाकरालमत्युग्रं शेषासूरसूदनं त्रिशूलं पातु नो भद्रकाली नमस्तुते हिनस्ति दैत्यतेजांसि स्वनेना पूज्ययायः सा घण्टा पातु नो देवी वाकेभ्यो अनस्तुतानिव असुराकृतपथापङ्क यच्चितस्ते करज्ज्वलः शूहाय खड्गो भवतु चर्णिके वाङ्नथा वयम् भोगानशेषाम् अपहृति तुष्टा रुष्टा तु कामान् सकलानहिष्टा त्वामश्रितानाम् न विपन्नराणाम् त्वामश्रिताध्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति एतत्कृतं यत् कदलन्तयाज्ञ धर्मदिशादेवी महासुराणां रूपैः अनेकैः बहुधात्ममूर्ति कृताम्बिके तत्प्रकरति कान्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेकोद्दीपे स्वद्देषु वाक्येषु तथा स्वदन्या ममत्तगत्ते अतीमहान्धकारे विभ्रामयत्येतदतीव विश्वम् रक्ष्यांसि यत्र प्रविशाश्च नागा यत्रारयो दग्धिबलादि यत्र धावानलो यत्र तरासि मध्ये तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपाहि विश्वम् विश्वेश्वरी त्वं परिपाहि विश्वम् विश्वात्मिकाधारसीति विश्वम् विश्वेशवन्या भवति भवन्ति विश्वाश्रया ये तै भक्तिनम्रा देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोलिभिर्नित्यं यथा असुरवधादसुरैव यज्ञ पापानि सर्वजगदाग्रशमनयासु उत्पातपाकजनितांश महोपसर्गान् फलसानां प्रसीद त्वग्देवी विश्वाद्यहारिणी त्रैयज्ञवासिना विद्ये लोकानां वरदा भव.
Now, another legendary Virendra Krishna Bhadra number, that is Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu chanting. So please listen to this beautiful and profound chanting by legendary Virendra Krishna Bhadra.
प्रणदात्मतां रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः यस्नायै जन्मभूमियै सुखायै सततं नमः कल्याण्यै प्रणदावृत्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्वो नमो नमः नैरित्यै भवितालक्ष्म्यै सर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः दुर्गायै दुर्गमालायै कालायै सर्वकारिण्यै ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतास्तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै नित्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शक्तिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु एतदस्यभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृषारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु यक्षादिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु यातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु पुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां च अखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै तद्विद्यै नमो नमः स्थितिरूपेण या कृष्णम् एतद्गत्य स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
We bow our head to Mother Goddess Durga and pray to her to really bring wisdom, prosperity, mental peace, and happiness to her, to us, and also remove our morbidity, our problems, our all miseries. So that is the prayer. And now we come to a beautiful number by Dijen Mukherjee. His very beautiful song, Jago Durga Dashoproharan Adharini. So please listen to Dijen Mukherjee's this song asking Mother to awaken and solve our problems.
सारेगामा कारवानी
তুমি যাবো দুর্গা যাবো দশ প্রহরী অভয় শক্তি বল প্রদায়ী তুমি যাবো যাবো তুমি যাবো চন্দ্রিকা শঙ্করী যাবো যাবো আসুর বিনাশিনী যাবো যাবো দুর্গা যাবো দশ প্রহরী অভয় শক্তি বল প্রদায়ী তুমি যাবো যাবো তুমি
After this beautiful song, we have got another beautiful number, Hey Chinmoyi, sung by Tarun Bandyopadhyay. So this is also for awakening the mother. So all the songs are praying to the mother, asking for solving all our problems very, very timely, and we need her blessings all the more this time. So please wait for this song, Hey Chinmoyi, sung by Tarun Bandyopadhyay.
চিন্ময়ী চিন্ময়ী এলে ধারে দেখে নির্মল প্রাণে বসুন্ধরায় সুবিমল সারি অঞ্জলি হাতে চিন্ময়ী নভনীলিমায় বাজে মহাভেরি নভনীলিমায় বাজে মহাভেরি দিকে দিকে তব মাধুরী যে সুললিত তারে তারে সুধায়ানি আলোকেরি সাথে চিন্ময়ী সাজাবো যে গাথিব যে মালা জ্যোতির মন্ত্রে নারী অন্তরে অমৃত যে ভরে পুলক তন্ত্রে মাহি মহাবর কমলার মনে জননী গো জননী গো নমিরা তুল জননী পূজায় উল্লাসে পূজায় উল্লাসী ধরণী দেবাসে সুরভিত বাতে
After this beautiful song, He Chinmoyi by Tarun Bandyopadhyay, we come to the last song of the evening, and that is that. So we will end with the song Jai Durga Mai Ki Jai. That is, we are kind of worshipping the mother, and we are telling that let the mother be victorious. The number of the song is Dhak Baja, Kashur Baja by Shreya Ghoshal. So with this jovial song, with the inspiring song, and with this enthusiastic song, I think we'll get spirited, we'll get empowered, and we will have new energy and new enthusiasm to face the world and do our best and go towards normalcy and better life with hope and determination. So please enjoy this song.
ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা হলুদে আর শাক বাজা বছর পরে আমাদের মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদীয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মন দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মন দুর্গা মা ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা হলুদে আর শাক বাজা বছর পরে আমাদের মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদীয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মন দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মন দুর্গা दुर्गा माई की, अरे बोलो दुर्गा माई की। তুমি যে তোমার স্নেহ মায়ার নেই তুলনা। সপ্তমীতে তোমারই আসনে আমি নতুন জামা নতুন শাড়ি ঘরে পুজো ভালো আরে সব কিছুতে প্রেম জড়িয়ে আছে। পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদীয় খুশিতে মন নাচে। এলো 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 মন দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মন দুর্গা। ওদের বাবা জানি তোমার নামের কি মহিমা। অষ্টমীতে ওই রামা চরণে দিলাম অঞ্জলি। নবমীতে ভোগ প্রসাদ দশমীতে মন বিষাদ বিসর্জনের সময় দেখাচ্ছে। পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদীয় খুশিতে মন নাচে। এলো 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 মন দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মন দুর্গা। बोलो दुर्गा माई की, बोलो दुर्गा माई की, अरे बोलो दुर्गा माई की।
What a joy Mother Durga has come. It's a really, really very happy occasion. And we are rejoicing the arrival of Mother Durga. So we will meet tomorrow also at the same time, that is Philippine time and Singapore time 7:00 p.m., which is 4:30 p.m. in India. Tomorrow we have a special attraction. There will be Chandi Path by our dear Shantanu Chakrabarti. He will be doing the Chandi Path. So please join at 7:00 p.m. Please join in the new link. And before we end today's program, and we also have on Thursday, that is on Mahanavami Day, that is 14th of October, 14th of October also. So every day 7:00 p.m. Tomorrow's program will be a little longer because there will be Chandi Path, and so we are very much looking forward by Chandi Path by Shantanu Chakrabarti. But since Rajatda is here, we would be very happy if he can bless the occasion and speak a few words to us. Rajatda. Rajatda, you are there? Okay. We would now, Rajatda, please, we are so happy to have you.
Rajatda, unmute. Rajatda, you unmute. Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Perfect.
Rajatda, perfect.
Okay. Well, what can I say other than to say how delighted I am that in Manila we are now being able to do the Durga Puja celebrations thanks to our own Swamiji and Swami Udaranandaji, who is there now and leading all this effort under his stewardship. And of course, I know all of you are putting in so much effort. So I wish you all the very best Shubho Pujas. And I hope very much that your Shikhadi and I can join tomorrow as well. But if not, we'll certainly sort of be there with you in spirit. And I hope all of you have a very, very good pujo. And we'll talk and see you all again. Thank you very much, Nirmal, for organizing this.
Happy Pujo, Rajatda, Shikhadi, and all of you. And at the end, we would request our Vice President, Rosanna, to speak a few words in Tagalog and English if she is there. Rosanna, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, please come in. Mic is yours.
Good evening to everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Where is Rosanna? Rosanna, please unmute yourself. Rosanna, please unmute yourself. We cannot unmute her. Okay, so we end the program for today. So please, I can come back for 5 minutes of informal session. So then I would request you to please come back tomorrow at 7:00 p.m. Manila time. That is 4:30 p.m. India time. And please wait for me to come back for the informal session for 5 minutes so that you can chit chat and say happy Navaratri and happy Durga Puja to each other. So please wait for me for 30 seconds for me to end the record.